What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we got a quick Ryobi tool haul. Got a couple items. We got the 1 gallon chemical sprayer. We got the little small pressure 330 PSI 0.8 gallons a minute, cordless pressure washer. So please stick around, or power cleaner. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? So welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. And on top of this 320 PSI 0.8 gallons a minute Ryobi 18V EZClean power cleaner, little sneak peek, we got the DeWalt as well, the DeWalt 550 PSI power cleaner. Upcoming video. Alright. So this is going to be the tool haul video. I'm going to show off these tools. We're going to talk about them real quick. And then we'll do the unboxing separate. I'm also thinking, because these can be some lengthy demonstration videos for these tools, I'm thinking of doing the demonstrations in their own videos, and then the specs, information, unboxings, and all that will be in their own videos separately as well. I just don't want to put out, 2 or 3 hour-long videos, because I did everything, unboxing, information, specs, weights, measurements, all that, and then take it outside and demo them. So first one we're going to look at is this 18V lithium cordless chemical sprayer. Sprays 30 gallons per charge. No pumping required. Ryobi ONE+, world's largest 18V tool system, which I don't believe that's actually true, but I could be wrong. Item number US is 1001504-981. I don't think this has a model number, to be honest. I think it just has a US part number. So this is the Ryobi 18V ONE+. This, come to find out after I picked it up, I didn't realize it was a kit, but it does say 1 gallon, includes battery and a charger. Ended up looking it up. It's a 1.3 amp hour charger. Nothing really too special there. It's kind of nice to get an extra battery, but it's not one of those batteries that's going to do you much good down the road. Let me turn this light on to get a little light on here. Cordless chemical sprayer for use with most consumer grade home and garden chemicals, such as insecticides, fungicides, weed killers, and fertilizers. Durable brass nozzle adjusts for multiple spray patterns. Translucent tank for easy fluid level reference. Tank easily detaches from removing excess liquids and cleaning chemical tank. Cap doubles as a measuring cup. One-hand or two-handed use for user preference. Battery 18V. Tank capacity 1 gallon. Hose 4 feet. Pressure 45 PSI, weight 4.5 pounds. I believe that would be without a battery. Sprays 30 gallons per charge, 4-foot hose with 45 PSI, 1 gallon tank. Includes chemical sprayer, wand, set of replacement seals, 18V lithium ion battery. That's where it's confusing. It does not say what kind of battery, but I had to look it up on the Home Depot app. 18V compact charger, and an operator's manual. 18V lithium ion battery and charger, compatible with over 125 great ONE+ tools. I know Milwaukee is at 300+ right now. I know Makita's at 275+ tools. I don't think Ryobi is the biggest, but 45% lighter weight for reduced user fatigue. No memory effect. Compact quick charger, conditions battery for peak performance. Diagnostic readout, provides battery status. We're continuous sprayed and tested with included battery. Okay, so it's saying you will get a total of 30 tanks. 30 gallons So technically this is a 1 gallon, so 30 tanks on that 1.3 amp hour battery. It says it's a P102 1 Plus lithium battery compared to the P100 1 Plus NiCad battery. You have to look at it. Maybe it's a NiCad. I have no idea. That's all the information on the side. Normal 3-year warranty, 90-day risk-free. Okay. Got that guy right there. Quick look over this, real quick. This is for this guy right here, which is for the 320 PSI power cleaner. So this is an 18-volt power cleaner chemical nozzle kit. Converts 18-volt power cleaner into a chemical sprayer for maximum coverage. Ideal for applying disinfectants, bleach, cleaning solutions, herbicide, insecticides. Includes 3 quick connect mist nozzles, 2 adapters for 2 liter and 1 gallon bottles. So 3 nozzles, 2 disconnects for 1 gallon and 2 liter bottles. It's got this connector right here, which I think is the adapter connector that goes to the wand. And then this guy, because you can actually hook this either to the wand or you can hook it and make it snub nose straight to the machine. So here it's got a snub nose design, and up here you can hook it also to this wand. This one is, ooh, I caught the camera. I'm not sure how that happened. Move this down. So 18-volt power cleaner chemical nozzle kit converts 18-volt, like I said, power cleaner into a chemical sprayer. Ideal for disinfectants, bleach, cleaning solutions, herbicide, insecticides. I bet you could probably also use it for fertilizer if you want to cover a large area and say, I think these might be like a mist. Yeah, it shows like a mist design. So you can also probably use it as a mist design to mist plants if you need to fertilize them. 3 quick connect misting nozzles, 2 liter bottle adapter, 1 gallon bottle adapter, 5-foot hose, PQC adapter, and operator's manual. Hose is 5 feet. This guy right here is the actual unit itself. I picked this up. This one is 79. This was 50 bucks, 49 bucks. And the DeWalt unit down there was $150. We're definitely going to put that unit up against this unit, which will be its own separate video. So we're going to do a demonstration video separate from the unboxing of this guy. Same with that guy. Demonstration separate from unboxing. Figured I can either unbox this in its own video, talk about it, or I could put it in this video. I'll probably do this one separate. And that one will be the same way. We're going to unbox it separate from the demonstration video, and as well as that being put head to head with this, that's going to be totally separate from that demonstration video. Alright. So this is, let's see, I'm not seeing a model number. That's intriguing. It does not look like there's a model number. There's no US number, no Mexico number, no Canada number, not even a PAL, 572, nothing like that. So, this again is the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus 320 PSI, 0.8 gallons a minute. 18-volt cordless EZClean power cleaner, on-the-go cleaning with a bottle adapter. Works with any standard garden hose. Pull water from any fresh water source. 3-in-1 nozzle. Battery and charger sold separately. 3-year warranty. So this actually has the new box design. And this one has the new box design compared to that guy right there that has the red label and the gray and green. I kind of dig the older design. It's kind of easier to see in a sense for me. But move on. So we're gonna flip this guy around. This is just lengthwise on the box instead of standing up. Alright. This guy actually feels a lot heavier than the chemical sprayer. Alright, so close up of the information. Best I can get. You guys might need to zoom in or pinch to zoom. This is about as close as I can get for you guys. So it says 18-volt cordless EZClean power cleaner, 320 PSI, portable on the go cleaning with included bottle, adapter, works with any standard garden hose sold separately, which I have a garden hose. 20-foot siphon hose, pulls water from any freshwater source. 3-in-1 nozzle for added versatility. Turbo 15-degree and rinse. Turbo nozzle for faster cleaning, powered by Ryobi 18-volt 1+ battery, sold separately. Water-resistant battery enclosure for added protection. I will link a couple cards up here for Toolboss's channel. He has done several videos on this guy. He prefers the 15-degree for trying to get something extremely clean, extremely fast compared to the turbo. His video shows that the turbo doesn't do as great as a job, but you know, only time will tell. I'm going to have probably more than likely different jobs than what he was using it for. I'm going to be using these for cleaning siding on the house, which is similar to him cleaning his shed, which I will, his plastic shed. I will more than likely be using it to clean wood on a barn, the siding on my house, as well as possibly seeing how well it does on some old car paint, just to clean up the paint, maybe see how well it does on rims, stuff like that, which it does have a guy cleaning his vehicle in it. I don't want the video to be extremely too long, but please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. One last thing, I want to say thank you to all of you guys that made the possible for the channel to become monetized. All the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, dislike, the people that randomly show up and watch, whether you comment or not. The people that watch the ads on the channel every once in a while, as well as the people that use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason that going quite forward with picking up lots of tools for the channel. I'm going to start picking up wood with the money from the channel. I'm going to start doing head-to-heads, Ryobi versus DeWalt versus Milwaukee versus Metabo HPT Hitachi Power Tools versus Metabo versus Bosch sticks versus Porter Cable, Black & Decker, Stanley, you know, I already named DeWalt, Harbor Freight's Earthquake XT cordless tools. So I got lots of cordless tools. Ryobi 18-volt. We'll be definitely getting into the 40-volt for some cultivator stuff, cultivator tools and some stuff like that that my wife can use for her gardening. We got, if anybody would like to provide any kind of Ryobi tools to the channel for demo or head-to-head testing, please get a hold of me in comments or email me. My email is on the About section of the YouTube. I don't plan on breaking tools, just testing head-to-head against other brands, you know, like this power cleaner versus the DeWalt power cleaner, stuff like that. Hammer drill versus hammer drill, drill driver versus drill driver, impact driver versus impact driver, recip, so on and so forth. Circular saws, impact wrenches, you name it. So Got the Ryobi 18 volt, 40 volt to come. DeWalt, we got 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. Earthquake XT, we got 12 volt and 20 volt. Makita, we have 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as 40 volt and 80 volt coming to the channel. We have Metabo HPT or Hitachi Power Tools, 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. We got Bosch Stick 18 volt. We got Bosch 18 volt core. We have Milwaukee M12 and M18, brushed and brushless fuel. We have Metabo 12 volt and Metabo 18 volt. Corded tools, I got old, semi-old, and really old for DeWalt. Porter cable, Milwaukee, Stanley, and Black & Decker, as well as Bosch and Makita. Got lots of pneumatic tools, so if any of those things interest you guys, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for this pretty quick video. You guys stay safe, have fun, stay dirty, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace! Eat your spaghetti tacos.